Hey, 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 this is Rosa, Rubio Giotto, RCG Creations. How you doing? Did you know? Here's another series. This is how to clean the inside of your toilet tank. Look how nasty that thing is. This house was built in 1982. My understanding is this is the original toilet. It's in our master bedroom. Gross, gross, gross. Turn off the water on your water valve there. Turn that off. Flush it. Then fill it back up with hot water. And just use hot water. You don't have to boil it unless you want to, but you want it to be hot water. And I just used it out of my tap. I've already put in 2 gallons of water, so it's going to need a little bit more. Sorry, but I have to use 2 hands, so I'll be back and show you there. Okay, my water line is filled. I went ahead and added a container, and I'm using the white out. It removes dingy, bleaches, and oxys can't. Oh, removes dingies, bleach, and oxys can't out. White Brite. I've actually used this on my washing machine with clothes, and it really works great on whites. I was going to try it on my shower curtain, but I wanted to try the Carbona one first to see if that will work. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to try this on it, and we'll see what happens. That'll be another video. Okay, so I already put that in there. Now I'm just going to... You want to put it in there, it's going to start to bubble. And you want to make sure that it's all over the water in every area. But don't get it on any of the equipment. Okay, just get it in the water and that's it. Okay, so there that is. So it's going to have to sit and soak. And then we'll bring you back. And if you have a lot of stains right in here, you can dip it in water, then overhang it to remove the stains. But I'm not too worried about that. I'm just worried about the top part, the tank itself. I'm just worried about the tank part. So we'll bring you back. Well, this one was a total bust. This is the 4th time I'm going to flush this toilet, and it did not change the rust area whatsoever. And look, I'm wiping it with my finger. I have no intentions in scrubbing. That was the whole reason of doing this experiment, was to see if I could do it without scrubbing. But you know what it looks like? You know, let me stop it. Let me get my little brush. Maybe that'll work. Hold on. Okay. I flushed it, and it did come a little bit cleaner with the scrubber. See on the right-hand side right here? That's where I scrubbed. This part I did not scrub. And I don't want to get too close to the mechanism here. And see in the bottom down there? Let me flush it one more time so you can see better. There's where I got to scrub. There's where I didn't get to scrub. And it definitely is a lot cleaner. And all the junky stuff from the city water is gone. So this was not a total thumbs up. Wasn't a total thumbs down. It was more like down, more loss, thumbs down than up. Because the whole point of doing this, and again I used the out White Brite, was I wouldn't have to scrub it. That was the whole point of doing it. I watched a bunch of stuff on Google, done some stuff on Pinterest, saw some bunch of videos, and this is just my personal opinion. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Don't forget to hit like. Take care now. Bye-bye.